thought diversity is critical to the innovation of a business. If we all thought the same and said the same thing, we're all going to have, the same outcome. It's so incredibly important to have different perspectives from different educational and cultural backgrounds, to have those voices at a table. Because again, we're in software, and the most important thing for our company is to innovate and iterate, one of our core values. And it's going to take a team of different backgrounds, different perspectives to push us to the next level.
The key benefit that I see, because I do work in a very diverse team within APJ, and we are exceptionally inclusive, the benefit I see of that is actually just the different perspectives that alternate thinkers bring to the table. So you don't necessarily want to ever surround yourself with the same people who are all going to say the same thing. You want someone who's going to challenge your view and question you, because that's what really means that you will come out with the best possible answer to a question, rather than it just being the first answer. So I think that to me is the best thing that diversity brings to the table.